Il-ħadd li għadda attendejna l-Quddisa tal-11 ta' filgħodu fil-Knisja ta' Ġiżu l-Belt li kienet mimlija Maltin. Stajna nosservaw li mat-tmiema diversi jersqu jitolbu quddiem il-kurċifiss mirakolus jew ir-relikwa ta' Carlo Acutis. Ftit tal-ħin wara, il-Knisja tilqa' komunità ta' Kristjani Indjani, iżda qabel il-Quddisa tfal Indjani jingħataw il-lezzjoni tal-katekiżmu. Mal-komunità ta' Patrijiet Franġiskani f'ta' Ġiżu l-Belt fl-aħħar sena u nofs ingħaqad Patri Thomas Manu Kuzil mill-Indja li jieħu ħsieb imexxi l-Quddisa bil-Malayalam.
India's got many language groups, but we have people from Kerala where there are a lot of Christians, especially Catholics. So we have mass here for the Latin Christians of Kerala. And also there are other people come and they join before those masses.
L-iżgħar Patri Franġiskan f'ta' Ġiżu l-Belt u Patri Arslan mill-Pakistan għandu 27 sena u ilu Malta 7 xhur u jiċċelebra l-Quddies bl-Urdu għal komunità Pakistana is-Sibt filgħaxija.
European culture is totally new for me. Comparatively, if we see in Pakistan and see Maltese culture or European culture, they are different realities. But I enjoyed here up till now. I liked it. People are very nice to me. Even the Pakistani community, they were going to different places because they did not have any Pakistani priests. So Father Ramon, my guardian, he spoke to them and he invited them here in Valletta, and he asked that he will arrange somebody from Pakistan.
Il-Filippini animaw il-Quddisa tagħhom permezz ta' korb kant kemm bl-Ingliż u wkoll bit-Tagalog kif qalinna Patri Joan Pader li wasal Malta lejlet il-miliet li għadda.
I'm looking forward to have a good relationship. Speaking of the internationality of the Franciscan community, at the same time serving not just the Filipinos maybe, but also having a good interaction with other culture, with other people.
Il-Patrijiet Franġiskani jieħdu ħsieb ukoll il-komunità Filippina f'Għawdex b'Quddisa li tiġi ċċelebrata s-Sibt fil-Knisja ta' San Ġagbur Rabat.
They still come and we celebrate, and then after sometimes we had a fellowship, we enjoy food and presence of each other through celebrations.
Fi kliem il-Gwardjan tal-Knisja ta' Ġiżu l-Belt, Patri Ramon Farrugia, din l-esperjenza internazzjonali fost il-Patrijiet Franġiskani tal-Belt ixhieda ta' dak li hu l-Ordni Franġiskan ta' ħajja ġdida lill-missjoni Franġiskana f'ta' Ġiżu l-Belt u għamlitha aktar rilevanti għas-soċjetà li ngħixu fiha llum.